Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda CBR250R. This is our demo bike. Come by, check it out, save hundreds over the price of a brand new one. Just $39.99, 9 miles, perfect condition. What can I say? Single cylinder, electric start, liquid cooled, fuel injection. So it really has great throttle response. Very, very easy for a new rider. 77 miles per gallon. It's a tremendous commuter for about a 20-mile commute or less. Great starter bike, gorgeous looks, comfortable riding position. It's a sporty looking bike that still is comfortable to ride. Still under factory warranty for about 11 more months. 2013 CBR250R, 9 miles on the odometer, just $39.99. I'm going to fire it up for you so you can see how she sounds. Make your motorcycling dreams come true here at Contra Costa Powersports.